In this video, we're going to find some probabilities by using combination. The question gives that there are 6 football clubs and each club has 2 officers. 3 officers are randomly chosen from these 12 officers to form a committee. We need to find the probability that the 3 officers chosen come from 3 different clubs and the probability that the 3 officers come from at most 2 different clubs. Part A. The probability that the 3 officers chosen come from 3 different clubs. Since the selection is regardless of the order, we are considering combinations. To find the number of ways to choose 3 officers who are from 3 different clubs, we may consider it in 2 steps. First, how many ways are there to choose 3 different clubs from 6? It's 6C3, right? Then for each of these ways to choose the 3 clubs, how many ways are there to choose 1 officer from each of these clubs? Remember that each club has 2 officers, so it's 2C1 for each club. For 3 clubs, it's 2C1 times 2C1 times 2C1. Multiplying everything together, we get the number of ways to choose 3 officers who are from 3 different clubs. Then we divide it by the total number of ways to choose 3 officers from 12, which is 12C3. Using a calculator, the answer is 8/11. Part B. The probability that the 3 officers chosen come from at most 2 different clubs. Remember that each club has only 2 officers. So even both officers from the same club have been chosen, the 3rd officer still has to be from another club. In other words, the 3 officers chosen must come from at least 2 different clubs. And obviously, they can't come from more than 3 different clubs as we are only choosing 3 people. That means there exist only 2 possible ways of selections. Either the 3 officers are from 2 different clubs, or they are from 3 different clubs. Or we can say the 2 events are complementary events. Therefore, the probability that the 3 officers chosen come from at most 2 different clubs is equal to 1 minus the probability that the 3 officers chosen come from 3 different clubs. We've already found this in part A, which is 8/11. So we have 1 minus 8/11, and the result is 3/11. Or we may find the answer in a different way. There are only 2 officers in each club. Therefore, the 3 officers chosen come from at most 2 different clubs is actually the same as 2 officers chosen come from the same club and the remaining 1 officer comes from another club. Let's find the number of combinations of this event. 2 officers chosen come from the same club means that 1 club is chosen from 6, which is 6C1, times 2C2, which is to choose 2 officers from the 2 available in this chosen club. We have already chosen 2 officers. There remain only 10 officers to choose from which we have to choose the 3rd member, so it's 10C1. Multiplying everything together and then divide it by the total number of ways to choose 3 officers from 12, which is 12C3. The same answer, 3/11, can be obtained. There are always multiple ways to obtain the same result in probability problems. Choose the one that appears to be simpler and that you're comfortable with. That's it.